Hey guys, if you don't know me, it's David, the fan collector. I went to the flea market and this is what I found. Feathers. But this one is really tore up. However, I did fix the coil and wash it. I cleaned the whole thing out. It was really nasty when I got it. It's covered in leaves. And the coils were kind of bent. So I straightened them out with it took my time straightening them out. See right there, it's all straight like it's supposed to be. But yeah, we're gonna kick it on. Kick it on fan. Here's high on fan. Okay, the fan does work. The compressor works. It is kind of dripping because the compressor really works. The thermostat sounds beautiful. Now low fan. This is really quiet. Now for the compressor. And right away it gets cold. So right now it's really cold. Beautiful sound. And on the back, it's already hot. But this unit works awesomely. There's a filter over there. However, I'm gonna try to get in our front cover if y'all can. But yeah, guys, I did go to the flea market like I said. I text, some of y'all got my texts. Some of y'all know I would. I actually did find some stuff over there. But there was no fans there, unfortunately. There was no good fans like they had in the past. I'd have to go to a thrift store somewhere. But now let's kick it on high cool. And right away it blows a lot of air. And it does sound awesome. As you can see. Right back here is the hot air. It's blowing hot air, of course. Like it says on the badge. Feathers. And it does perform. I definitely would recommend this to any collector. Okay. This one is extremely well conditioned. I cleaned it up. It was $40. And I had a lot of money on me. They had another one, but it was a cheaper one. And this one wasn't too bad of shape as the other one was. I mean, it was bad right there because it's missing the half part of the other part. But however, this AC is working right now. Whoa. The wind's kind of bad out here. But yeah. Definitely get one, guys. All you fan collectors out there, definitely try one. Because this feathers here is really cool. It's ice cold, it literally is. I mean, it gets down to business and it's already condensating. The reason why it's condensating on the sides is because I don't have it tipped. Watch it. It's down to business. Now the refrigerant flow. Stupid car as well. Alright, let's turn this thing off. Listen to that. Refrigerant flow. Ooh. They still need a little bit of straightening, but they're okay now. It's just they're deteriorated. It's typical in Louisiana. But yeah, guys, I'll see y'all later. And don't forget to subscribe and send me some love. to Lamont and all the fan collectors out there. And definitely try to get one of these because these things are awesome. I don't know if I'll be able to keep it in my collection but I'm going to keep it. I'm going to try to sneak it and keep it. So, because my dad keeps on getting mad, thinking I'm trashing up his house. I'm really not. I have air conditioning. Whoa! But yeah, check me out and I'll see you later and out.